Hello, today I want to discuss Ptolemy's theorem. This is not only for cyclic quadrilaterals, but today I want to discuss this about cyclic quadrilaterals. In this case, AB times CD plus BC times AD equals AC times BD. To prove this, we need to use law of sines. Here I have already assigned AB, CD, BC, AD, AC, and BD in terms of radius and sine of appropriate angle. If you don't know about law of sines, you can see my videos about how to prove law of sine and how to use it. After using these formulas, we can rewrite this equation, and we will get, instead of AB, we can write 2 times r times sine of 3, and instead of CD, we can write 2 times r times sine of 2. So in total, it will be 4r squared times sine of 3 times sine of 2. In a similar way, we will get 4r squared times sine of 4 times sine of 1. And this must be equal for r squared times sine of 3 plus 4 times sine of 4 plus 2. Sine of 4 plus 2. In this case, we can erase 4r squared because all terms has this. And now we need to use product to sum formula, which I have discussed in the previous video. So if you don't know about this, you can visit the previous video. So sine of 3 times sine of 2 will be 1/2 times cosine of 3 minus 2 times 2. Then we need to subtract cosine of 3 plus 2. In a similar way, we will define sine of 4 times sine of 1, and that would be 1/2 times cosine of 4 minus 1 minus cosine of 4 plus 1. And this must be equal 1/2 times cosine of 3 minus 2 minus cosine of 3 plus 2 plus 4 and plus 4. Because all these terms have 1/2, we can erase this one. And we can also erase cosine of 3 minus 2, because both of these terms have this. Also, we can notice that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals 180. And now look at these values, cosine 3 plus 2 and cosine 4 plus 1. So this means that if this is alpha, that would be 180 minus alpha. And as we know that cosine of 180 minus alpha is negative cosine of alpha, we can erase these two numbers. So cosine of 3 plus 2 must be negative cosine of 4 plus 1 because of using cosine of alpha times cosine of alpha equals negative cosine of 180 minus alpha. So we are left to show that cosine of 4 minus 1 equals negative cosine of 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 4. And from this equation, we can define that cosine of 3 plus 2 plus 4 is 180 minus 1. So in total, what we need to show is that cosine of 4 minus 1 equals negative of cosine 180 minus 1 plus 4. And if we assign this number as gamma, that would be also negative gamma. And this is what we want to show, because by using the fact that cosine of gamma always equals negative cosine of 180 minus gamma. So we have proved law of Ptolemy's theorem.